Back to my channel. Now I'm going to take some pictures with this wee camera, Yashica D 1958 camera. So this image is in the graveyard necropolis in Glasgow, which was a bright sunny day, no clouds in the sky. That's my Synchronic meter I bought from CEX, good place to visit if you want anything. Now, this is the first time using this camera for a long time. I hadn't used it for a long time. I got some film, so I thought, I'll try it out. And these are the results coming up. Take another reading there. This image is a wee mausoleum. I don't think I get it quite straight. It's got a wee bend to it, as you can see. Well, you will see in the image. When I'll post it later, or soon, who knows. That's the view. Not that level, eh? Oh well. Next, here we go. That's me. I'm at the beach. Yashica D 1958 again. The castle. There's a castle there. You know, I forget the name of it. Jeez, I'm still using this light meter because it's actually quite accurate. Cost £100, but it was worth it. Greening Castle. Just come back to me there. So I've set it up. You can't see him, know that. There it's there. Oh, somewhere. You can just see it. So again, it's bright sunshine, clear skies. I seem to do it when the weather's skies not got much definition in it. And that was the image. So next location, that's me again. The wee waterfall, Honey School Bride, down Calder Glen Country Park. So I've set up, I'll show you the image through the camera. I'm mastering it, look, no, still can't see it. No, I'm no good at that. Thought I was, but no, I'm no good at that. I should leave that to the professionals. As you can see, I've got to use that log for a wee bit of foreground interest. Next image, location. This is the next waterfall down Calder Glen, and it's quite a good location for waterfalls. As you can see in camera, I'm getting better at this. Look, told you I would get better. Don't know if the image is any better, but I know that at this point I got a bit of light leak because I tried to put that bracket on that's on the camera to fit on the tripod, and I loosened instead of tightening and keeping it tight. My fault. This is us in there, just going to load the film. I've got my bag to take the film out, put it on the spool. I've not done this for a long time. My god, that was hard. It took me forever. So I've sped this bit up so you can see eventually what I'm doing. It's quite footy. It's not the easiest thing to do. We'll get there in the end, I think. So this is the wee app that I've got for developing. It's called DevIt, and it's quite handy because it beeps and tells you when to turn, when to change, when to... Quite a good app. You should download it. Ideal for developing film. So, just about to mix my chemicals. I've sped this up a bit as well because it is quite a long process getting it all ready. So my developer's 40ml plus 560ml of water. My fixer's 120ml, 480ml of water. My stop bath is 30ml plus 570 mils of water. So you add the water to re-rinse it. Here we go. This is it developing now. We're starting the timer. So we do a wee mix first using the stick, agitate it for 1 minute. That's me agitating it. We usually just agitate live. It's a DR. So after we agitate it, we are agitate every 30 seconds and get a wee tap, as you do. Then we'll pour it out, get it ready for the next. The next process is to stop that. That's for 1 minute. Agitate for 1 minute. Got that super speed. Ooh. Let's fix it that. 3 minutes. Agitate for 1 minute with a stick. I think I missed that part out. Don't worry about it. I'll agitate it for every 30 seconds for 3 minutes. Tap it. A wee timer on my clock there, and it's going ding 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 ding. Hopefully we get some images. It's looking good. I didn't think I would get any, but there you go. I got 12 images. Not too bad for somebody that's not done it for a good few years. There we go. Got them on the light box. So they're looking not too bad. So I photographed them off the light box, put them in the computer, inverted them. Now I just got a wee quick look at them. They're looking not too bad. The sky's washed out because there was no any clouds. No clouds to be seen. They look old. I could have took them in 1958. If I was born, but I wasn't. That's a bit squint, that one. That's a bit lightly. The Burrow collection. Pollock House. Double exposure, my fault. Banner clock.